How to turn off login alerts on Facebook 2025. Are you tired of getting an email or a push notification every single time you log into Facebook from your own phone or laptop? While these alerts are designed to keep your account safe, they can quickly become annoying if you switch devices frequently. Today, I'm going to show you how to find and disable those login alerts in the updated 2025 Meta Account Center, so you can clean up your inbox while still keeping your account secure. Hey everyone! Facebook settings have moved around quite a bit with the new Meta Unified Dashboard. Whether you are on iPhone, Android, or a desktop browser, the process is now centralized. I'm going to walk you through the steps to customize these notifications so you only get alerted when you actually want to be. Step 1. Open the Meta Accounts Center. Open your Facebook app and tap the 3 horizontal lines Mute in the corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. At the very top, you'll see the Meta Account Center box. Tap anywhere in that box to open your global security settings. Step 2. Navigate to Password and Security. Once you're inside the Account Center, scroll down to the Account Settings section and select Password and Security. This is the hub for all your login protections, including 2-factor authentication and recognized devices. Step 3. Locate login alerts. Look for the Security Checks section at the bottom and tap on Login Alerts. You will see a list of the accounts linked to your Meta identity. Tap on your specific Facebook profile. Step 4. Toggle the notifications. Here you'll see 2 main options: in-app notifications and email alerts. If you want to stop the emails but keep the app alerts, simply toggle the email switch to off. If you want to stop all alerts entirely, toggle both switches to off. Step 5. Verify your recognized devices. To prevent future alerts without turning off security entirely, go back one screen to where you're logged in. If you see your current device listed there, make sure to select it and choose Trust this device. This tells Facebook that this phone is safe, so it won't trigger an alert the next time you sign in. Pro tip: if you decide to turn off login alerts, I highly recommend enabling 2-factor authentication if you haven't already. This ensures that even if someone gets your password, they can't get into your account without a code from your phone. It's the best way to stay safe while keeping your notification tray quiet. And that is how you take control of your Facebook security settings in 2025. If this video helped you stop those annoying emails, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Do you prefer getting security alerts via email or through the app? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the